Hi guys, welcome back to Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally if you've not met me before, and in today's video I'm doing a quick time lapse of how to use pencil tone in my sketchbook. I'm starting to compile several different types of drawings so that I can develop a couple of these into a textile piece. So take care and enjoy the video. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe, like or comment, always good to get your feedback. Have a good week and I'll see you next Tuesday. Take care, bye.